Hello, learners. It's me, Mama Owl. Mama Echo, I mean. I can't seem to find Mrs. Holbrook. Where do you think she could be? Who knows? Who? Oh, you think she's outside playing? Well, that wouldn't be very responsible. What do you think? You think she's over in her chair? Nope. You think she's hiding underneath the computer? Let me check. You're right. Ah, you guys found me. You knew it. All right. Well, now that you found me, today is an exciting day. It's the end of a unit. That means we learned a lot of new things, and today would be a day that we would take a test. Now, sometimes people hear the word test and they get scared and nervous, but I really don't want you to feel that way. The reason we do tests is just for a way to the teacher to see what you know and what you can do all by yourself and what things you still need some help on. So today we're going to just do a little bit of review and I'm going to tell you what's going to be on the test so that you can feel prepared and decide if there's things you need to practice a little more on your own. Okay, and then if you are doing remote learning, um, your teacher will give you the test over a Google Meet, or if you're doing hybrid, when you go into school, you'll get the test that way. All right, so today is kind of like a review. Let's start with our warm up. G game go. W wind wa. Q u queen qua. And what do we call these? Bloody letters. Whoop whoop. Z zebra z. Nice job. And let's do, there's those vowels, they're always hiding. A apple a. E ed e. I itch I. O octopus ah. U up ah. And of course, our standard cards. Baby Echo, can you help me with these? Please fly on out. Nap time is over, baby. Okay. A apple a. E ed e. G g. I itch I. Ah, look at that, I have an itch. O octopus ah. S s. U up X x. Y y. And now for our vowel extension. A apple a. E at I itch I. O octopus U up Great job. And now for today's warm up, I am going to add something else. Okay, we're going to practice reading words. So I am going to hold up a page like this. And after I teach you what to do, you're going to pause and try this on your own. You will go from this way, left to right, and if you need to tap out the words, you're going to tap it and read it. So watch me start here. I would go b it bit. Then I'd go to the next word. B op bop. And then I would keep going to each word. So I'm going to hold it up and have you pause your screen and practice reading these. Okay, now that you practiced on your own, I want you to do it with me. Instead of tapping, I'm going to point and slide. You should still tap with your fingers, okay? Try to keep up with me. B it bit. B op bop. Z it zip. Z app zap. App cap. Mom. D og dog. An man. Sip sip. Great. Now I want you to do it by yourself one more time. Pause it here and do all 9 words. Okay, great reading, everybody. That's what we call automaticity practice. We want to get smoother and quicker, but still do them correctly and automatic with all of our words. Okay, speaking of automatic, who remembers what some of these words of the day are? Quit and fix. Very good. Let's try reading a couple more words that I'm going to build. And let's also talk about them a little bit. Okay, so please get your fingers up and read me this word. How do you tap it? Show me. How do you tap it? Yeah, you start with your pincher finger. G. How many letters are in this word? 3 letters. Good. How many sounds are in this word? 3 sounds. So how many taps does it get? 3 taps. What's the vowel in this word? What's the vowel sound? Good. Is there a buddy letter in here? No, no buddies. Okay, help me spell it away. H. Ah, the H jumped out of my hand. U. G. Let's try another one. Okay, tap it out for me. What does it say? Fig. Fig. Do you know what a fig is? Have you ever had a fig Newton? The fig is the fruit inside of it. Okay. How many letters are in this word? 3. Very good. How many sounds? 3. What's the vowel sound? I. Great job. Help me spell this away. F I G. Okay, and let's just review the trick words that we have learned this unit. You need to be able to know how to read these and how to write them. What's this say? Of, the, and, is his. Good. So on the test, you're going to have to write a couple of those trick words. So if there were any of those that you didn't know what they said or how to spell them, you should play that back again and practice writing them. Also, to study or to just make sure you're ready, you could go to the trick word part of your student notebook and read over the words that are in there. On the test, you're actually allowed to use your notebook. You can open it up. It's not cheating. We want you to get it right. So the test isn't scary. It's just for you to show what you know. Okay, now what else is on the test, you ask? Well, you're going to have the teacher say some sounds and you have to write the sounds. It's just like a dictation. And you'll have to write some words as well. So if there are any things that you know are tricky for you, today is your day to practice. We have a shorter lesson right now so that you can go back and practice the things you need to. You'll also have to write 2 sentences. So I'm going to give you some sentences that you might want to practice to feel more confident, okay? I'm just going to say them. It's up to you to pause them, count out the letters, and write them and really check them yourself. Okay, here's your sentences. His gum is in the bag. Okay, Baby Echo just said that I really should write the answers, or else how will you guys know if you're right? So when you finish writing, his gum is in the bag, come back and check your work. Okay, pause on the screen and check it to fix any mistakes. Great, you're back. Now scoop it to read it. His gum is in the bag. His gum is in the bag. Okay, we'll do 2 more sentences. Don't forget, you can draw those lines if you need to and circle the trick words. Did Kim zig and zag? Did Kim zig and zag? Pause it here. Okay, if you're back, before I show you the answer, I want you to check for capitals. You should have two things capitalized, the beginning and, that's right, Kim's name. And what kind of punctuation should you have? A question mark, it's a question. Check yours to mine and fix up any mistakes. Let's scoop it to read it. Fix up your mistakes? I hope so. And now let's scoop it and read it smoothly. Did Kim zig and zag? Did she? I heard that if a crocodile or an alligator, one of those, is chasing you, you should like run in a zigzag because I don't know, they can't see the zigzags or something. That's how you'll escape. So if you didn't learn anything from my foundations lessons today, now you learned how to escape an alligator or crocodile attack. Zig and zag. Maybe that's what Kim was doing. Okay, guys, one more sentence. You're gonna be great. I just know it. Dad got a box of gum. How many words should you have? Dad got a box of gum. 6. Okay, take your time and do it. And when you're done, tap out everything that you can tap, right? And also check your trick words. Check them in your book. Dad got a box of gum. Pause it to finish. If you're back, I'm guessing you finished, but did you check it all? Did you? You're being honest? Okay. Check it to mine. Pause it and fix up any mistakes. And let's scoop it to make it smooth. Dad got a box of gum. Great job, friends. Okay. I think you're ready. I think you're going to do great on that test. Nothing to be worried about. Just show that teacher what you know, especially if you've been learning with me all week and your teacher's like, I wonder if you're really watching the videos. Well, this is how they'll know, by you doing the best on the test. And if you don't know it, that's okay. Then the teachers know they need to do more practice and we'll teach you more. It's all good, just like Pete the cat would say, right? All right. Bye-bye.